Okay, kids are going to present a skit on religious discrimination, which is all across happening.
Before becoming a Muslim, a Hindu, a Sikh, or a Christian, let's become a human first. India is characterized by more ethnic and religious groups than other countries of the world. Aside from the much noted 2000-old castes, there are 8 major religions, 15 odd languages spoken in various dialects in 22 states, and 9 union territories, and a substantial number of tribes and sects. So, as I mentioned, Hindu-Muslim conflicts in India has been going on for centuries. It is nothing new. In 20th century, Hindu-Muslim conflicts played a vital role in the partition of British India. Religion is the everlasting dialogue between humanity and God. So here we move with an interesting story to depict our topic. Both were very good friends and knew how to maintain their friendship for a long time. The teacher entered the class. She took the attendance and started explaining the day's lesson.
So children, today's topic is helping others. We all know that helping is a very interesting topic and we should always help others. We should always help others when somebody is in problem or need help without doing any kind of discrimination. So, here as written.
The bell rings and the class dismissed.
So, thank you miss. Thank you miss. Thank you madam.
Very close to each other. As we have already heard that, there is nothing on this earth more to be prized than a true friendship. The started playing.
What we will play today, Ali? We will think about it. But do you know what these British people are doing these days? Yes, I know. They are segregating people from their friends and family. But our freedom fighters are really working hard for our freedom. Yes, they are very hard.
After this discussion, they started playing.
But what we will play?
Hide and seek.
Yes. Okay. I'll play.
When they were going home, their parents were fighting with each other and were doing a strong debate.
Mom and Dad, what are you doing? Why are you fighting? Don't fight, Mom and Dad. Yes, do you know its consequences? It is really bad for us, Mom and Dad. Unity. These are my friends. Don't fight. It's very bad.
But their parents didn't listen and quarreled with each other.
You stop your kids!
The two kids also started quarreling with each other and started hating each other. But these stupid people didn't knew that it was a conspiracy of which they were the part of.
Ha ha ha. These stupid Indians. How clever I am.
They both grew and became a successful human and settled in Canada. It was a daily routine. But as they were going by bus, they met with an accident and got injured. Out of this, one person had got a bad injury and was out of blood. As they both really bad injury and he was out of blood. But as they both were going back to their places, they heard that one person wanted help and wanted donated blood to survive. They both recalled their teacher's lesson and said, "I!" They both looked at each other's faces and thought of a coincidence. But this was the real feeling of humanity. The sole meaning of life is to serve humanity. Be kind to all creatures. This is the true religion. Who are we as human beings if we ignore the suffering of others? I like the religion which teaches liberty, fraternity, and equality. It's the duty of everyone to defend religious freedom and promote it for all people.
Ram? Ahir? Ram? We were sitting in the same bus and we don't know each other. What a
Yes.
coincidence.
Yes, it's a very good coincidence.
But the person needs help. Let's help him. Please help
Yes,
us.
we have to give the blood.
Helping everyone is to be without discrimination, not with the religion. Last but not the least, no religion is higher than humanity. Thank you. The religion which teaches liberty, fraternity, and equality. So let us get started.
जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा आग चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा लड्डू का भोग लगे संत करे सेवा जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती